like the roll bar system, and it's like it's fucking side by side almost. You know what I mean?
Right.
But like an army version, you feel me? Like I don't know.
The green on it.
Yeah, it looks like it has that army green fucking. You gotta push him up if you can. That'd be great too. Like give him a little nudge when you can't get up all the way.
Oh, I'm stuck. Oh, I got it.
That's a little split. It's great. The kids cut all those bushes out, so you wouldn't even have access to that until a couple days ago.
Ah!
Got it. Turn to left.
Me and my dad did that with his 91 Laredo or whatever, Cherokee. Right, just like that, pinned it just like that before, like, we had it stuck and shit. I think it cracked the windshield. This thing wasn't with it or nothing. It was like, well, it might have had a 2-inch lip, you know what I mean? But, like, not like a real lip.
More sucky than it's been out.
Yeah, we got that Jeep recently.
Oh!
Shit, like, trying to find
Timber.
buddies that had nicer shit.
You should go buy an SD card.
They don't do SD for this.
What?
Yeah.
I have.
Try to go up in these dirt
Oh,
bags,
yeah.
too, over here.
My tires suck in the dirt. I already tried that. I'm stuck on a birdhouse.
There we go.
Your phone's like falling out. Yeah, I really made that. Holy shit. I thought I was gonna have to back out.
Gotta keep my wheels on the ground.
I think I'm stuck. Oh, nope, I'm good. That's also why I want the TRX for, because you can lock your diff and then unlock it.
Yeah.
So when you're turning, it doesn't just do that stiff turn thing.
Yeah. Definitely. I also want the brakes. So that like fucking you can lock up the back, go around tighter corners and stuff on the trails. Competition.
I didn't have my front bumper, dude.
Yeah, you gotta approach it at like an angle.
That really just happened. Back bumper stuck on a rock. Front bumper stuck on a rock.
Also,
Yeah. I was just sitting down there, so
yeah.
It's for spotters.
It's for scale, so you could like tell like that's the size of my house. You know what I mean? It's like a small version of my house, the same color.
Oh God.
let's take some skill, Dana.
I get bonus points for setting this one up.
I don't know how I'm getting
I think I'm wider than you.
I think you got it, bro. Oh, you gotta hit it hard. Going down. Maybe you gotta go faster when you get like closer than you did.
Yeah.
Get some speed going.
Oh, come on.
So I'm coming up again.
I think I'm just wide.
Are you too wide?
My tires weren't even catching.
You gotta be like super on.
You gotta be right in the middle to where just the edge of your tires are catching each one. His are a little smaller though too though, so it like probably grips it better, you know what I mean? You have more movement in between the tire and the wood. His is like fits it like a glove almost. It's weird.
Yeah, that's what mine was doing.
Yeah, you get high centered if you don't fucking ride this other side.
Oh, and it moves too, that's great. Everything, cause it's just like, sink it, fuck it, it's good.
We're ready.
Next. That wasn't bad.
Just pin it forward. You're high centered or caught up on that on screwing up this thing.
Your first try was like a 1 in a million almost.
Right.
Damn near had it. You got 3/4 of the way there the first time. And that was with less surface, you know what I mean?
Yeah. It's because the tires like grip the edges. And if you're not perfectly on point on this one, it's like, yeah, too wide in the rear nowadays. Put it back over the
My Vatera might be able to do it. It's working better that way.
You just like need to throw another log next to it.
It's going to be harder to get up on it in this side. Probably possible.
Ooh.
Right in the same spot.
You gotta like correct yourself and then you go too far and it's like too late, you know? Like a half a second too late.
Hey, at least now you can't tip over in that spot because I'm already in it. Yeah, use my tire. Use my tire.
You gotta turn it the other way, yeah.
Ah.
That's like the best. All these other fucking people calling me are telemarketers. so annoying. Literally, like 1 out of 10 calls is real. You know what I mean? That's how bad it is. It's all times of the day between 6:30 and like 10 o'clock at night every day.
That's fucking
Yeah.
stupid.
Somebody
I get them every once in a while, like every couple days.
I got a bad number, dude. The person that had it from me name was Veronica or Raquel or both. 2 people using it.
My person's name was Casey. Because I get call or text from a medical center saying that Casey has an appointment at
Yeah.
da 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 da.
Yeah, all that kind of shit too. Sometimes I answer just to get off or just block the number, but then they just use all these different. Like, this person must have been on every mailing list in the entire world. Like, you know what I mean?
Nice.
There you go. Teamwork makes the dream work. Here, I'll just run over you, see if it works.
Well, sometimes it works.
Yeah, you get the flip, you know what I mean?
Alright, boy. Got you on the camera.
Nice. That rock. My diffs are gonna be gone. Oh yeah.
Yeah, mine are pretty much worn off.
That was
Hey, Faku?
Got it all on camera.
I like it when my tires just hit and you just watch it go like flat.
The challenge is to utilize the stick somehow. See if you can utilize it. The position it's in too. You gotta move it around.
This is why I need better tires.
Oh, very good tires. It's all about the rate of approach.
Oh.
No, my Viterra goes freaking anywhere though with those swampers on it.
And the swampers are so diggy. Oh shoot, I lost the thingy.
A dinghy.
You lost a thingy. That's never good. When I was fucking like 7 years old, I fucking zipped zipper up on my thingy. I had to go to the hospital. It sucked.
I'm utilizing the stick. How about that?
There you go. You did it. Challenge complete. Forrest had it until he fucking wrecked. Oh, dude, I almost dropped the cigarette in my beer.
Yeah, that's one of my body keepers.
I'm trying to get me out of the way.
Fucking nice. I'm gonna try to go up this left side here on this rock.
tread on them before?
Use the throttle trim.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you got a button one. I have this little turn signal thing.
There we go. I can do reverse too. It's neat.
I was waiting for someone to utilize the crutch, bro. I'm surprised Dana didn't like shove it up against the rock already.
Oh shit.
You got this.
Love how the reverse acts as a brake after you use it. The throttle trim. Makes it pretty easy.
Yeah, it's like the drag brake goes out like the first time you use it or some shit.
Yeah.
Because usually,
Guess you got the juice to lose out. I utilized your golf club, bro.
and you missed
I
it.
jumped down.
Fucking missed it. Should've grabbed the sniper.
And go through this side. Oh shit.
Flattened me for some reason.
You must have really big holes in your tires.
Something.
Go that way.
Go. It's like a little ram, dude. Boom.
Safariing.
Got it, bro. Look at that. That was good.
Felt like that hit really close to my head.
What was that?
Said I feel like you hit really close to my head.
Yeah, oh, no, you're good, bro. I practice really safe gun practices.
Yeah, let's just I want to see this big old honking teddy bear. Everyone calls Winnie the
Watch it
Pooh.
go straight up backwards, like legit.
Yeah, I can't manage that.
You need to like go to it. Have Dana go first, and then you go behind him, and you know what I mean. See if it will keep you guys like together. D, you gotta back him right here. This is the flopping point. Oh. Forrest wants this.
I can't line it up like he can. I'm stuck over here.
I can move your chair.
He's about to get it. You might need to move that rock.
Yeah, that'll help.
That'll tip you. Ooh.
Damn it! Look at that articulation.
He's got it, bro. You can go all the way down too and finish the race. You know
It's
what I
the
mean?
goddamn
You gotta
Sasquatch
hit, you gotta
that
hit the fucking
shaved
the target. The
shaved
little leap
himself.
at the end.